Over recent years, Harry has split his time between the UK and North America with his wife Meghan Markle, ever since they stepped back as senior members of the royal family at the beginning of 2020. However, the couple has remained fairly under the radar since settling in California. But the Duke's resident status in the US has now been called into question. According to precedent, when royal and other notable figures from the UK visit America, their visa applications are usually processed confidentially via diplomatic procedures, bypassing the standard immigration process. It appears, however, there is some discontent regarding Harry's alleged preferential treatment. Last week, an immigration reform group called US Critical filed a lawsuit against the Department of Homeland Security, claiming the department had illegally withheld records of Prince Harry's US visa application and those of other royals. US Critical claimed that, as public figures, Harry's visa information, as well as that of other royals in a similar position, should be made available to the public, mirroring the transparency that is expected from the US visa documents of typical visitors. American citizens deserve to know why royals are being allowed to reside here for extended periods, said US Critical founder Nick Somberg in the statement. In an unexpected twist, a federal court has sided with the group, ordering the Department of Homeland Security to produce documentation of all of Prince Harry's visas within the next 30 days. The court explained, there is no viable argument that every request, for entry, made by any entrant and visa category, such as the documents of entry and exit for the Duke of Sussex, cannot be disclosed. Accordingly, revelations about Harry's visa, its category, expiration date, if he's applied for an extension, etc., should be made over the course of this legal maneuver. This is a stunning turn of events for Harry, who presumably anticipated that an American relocation under such a glaring spotlight would be hidden under lock and key. The Duke of Sussex's stateside situation may be about to get a lot more complicated. The factions behind this lawsuit, US Critical, have made no secret about the fact that their endgame, if it's discovered that his stay violates US immigration laws and/or the terms of his visa, could involve ousting Prince Harry from the United States. Consequently, as a high-profile individual and member of the royal family, insiders stress that Harry must acknowledge his duty to observe US immigration laws and protocols no differently than any other person. If non-compliance is revealing in the visa documentation, they confirm that they will call for his ouster from the United States. This would without question generate a humiliating public relations fiasco for Harry. At present, the nature of the visa status on which Harry resides in the United States or the exact nature of Harry's visa status remains unclear. However, the visa alternatives available to a British national like Harry in order to pursue long-term US residency are extremely restricted, and each type has distinct prerequisites and pre-specified validity periods, according to immigration attorneys. For example, Harry could experience heightened legal peril if it is revealed that he has been living in the United States in the wake of an expired, mere tourist visa. The violation of even minor visa conditions can trigger deportation proceedings. Consequently, Prince Harry now faced the somber reality of a legal showdown that is poised to divulge incriminating information regarding his immigration status in the United States and cast his very personal affairs in a far different light. Depending on the contents of these documents, this story could theoretically change to the United States calling for him to leave. For all of these reasons, I'll be following this narrative as the Department of Homeland Security responds to the judicial directive next week. Did they follow the order to disclose Prince Harry's visa details? What those documents could reveal about his current circumstances hold my interest because of the significant questions about whether they could impact his continued residency in California. It's not as if Harry hasn't been controversial or criticized since he arrived in the United States. This legal fight regarding his immigration status certainly doesn't help his image. The ongoing developments for this case with US officials should be very interesting, and I'm eager to hear what you think of the ongoing saga. Please share your thoughts in the comments section, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates on this ongoing story. In the meantime, I'll keep you posted on the latest developments with this Prince Harry, the royal family, and everything else happening in television and movies.